Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm bringing you a brand new video. This video is a crypto related video because I saw that a lot of you are interested in the crypto market, and I will explain you guys what I think the easiest way to invest in crypto in 2022 is. And with this information, you can do whatever you want. This won't be financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. So before we jump into the video, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like the content that I put out. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I make a post. And yeah, feel free to drop me a comment if you have any video ideas, and also share the video to your friends if you like it. All right, so now let's jump straight into the video. As a quick market recap, we can see that Bitcoin has recovered a bit. It's at 36.7K. Not looking very good overall. It breached that 40K level. It went all the way down to 33K. Personally, I think it will drop to 30K, maybe 29, and then I think that would be the bottom. If not, if that gets broken as well, I think we might be in a bear market, but we are still at 36K now, so let's just sit tight and wait to see what happens. The fear and greed index, we can see that we are sitting on extreme fear. We've been like this for the last week, yesterday, even last month, we were in fear. So pretty much sums it up. We can see that the market cap is over 1.6 trillion, sorry. The 24-hour volume isn't that bad. And yeah, as we can see, the market hasn't moved that much lately. It dropped and then it bounced up a bit, and now we need to wait to see. XRP is very low, by the way. Then, okay, guys, so let me just get straight to the subject. So, in my opinion, the easiest way you can start investing into crypto in 2022 is to actually uh, put some money on the side monthly, okay, from your salary maybe. So, let's say you are comfortable with a sum of $400 per month to invest in crypto. Okay. The other thing is that you don't want to invest money that you depend on. Okay. You don't want to invest your savings. You don't want to invest your money that you have to use the next day for buying food, for going to college, and all that. Okay. Use money that you can afford to lose. Okay. So basically, what I want you to do is, instead of buying I don't know, a pair of sneakers by the end of the month, a pair of Nikes or whatever sneakers you like, that will cost you around $200 or $300. Instead, put that money aside and invest it in crypto. Okay, so the first step you want to do is to establish a sum of money that you are willing to invest. Okay, you don't want to go too big. Just invest something that you are comfortable with. Even $200 a month is really good, because in a year, that's gonna be 2.4K dollars, which is a pretty good amount of money. Imagine doing a 10x on a 2.4K, then you'll sit a 24K, and then so on. It's a game of patience. You have to be very patient. And I think this method is actually a really good method, okay, to invest monthly a amount of money, a certain amount. Maybe in time you will increase this amount if you feel more comfortable. Instead of 300, maybe you'll want to start to invest 500 a month. That's even better. And yeah, like, you'll have so many picks to choose from regarding what you should invest. Okay, that um you could just invest in the main cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Solana. Terra, the top 10, you can invest in those. Or after that, after you invest in those, then you can come to my channel or to other crypto YouTubers channel to see what low cap what low cap cryptos do have potential. Like for example, Chainlink, that has a very big potential, or Near Protocol, or Phantom. Then you come to us, you watch our videos, you make an idea, then you do your research, because you don't want to invest in what I say without doing any research, okay? Because as I said, this is not financial advice. After I say you go buy Phantom, then you go to the Phantom website, you research about them, you see if you like uh, their um, their project, and then you decide, okay, next month I will invest the X amount of money into Phantom or not, okay? So doing this, you'll see that in time you will create a big amount of money only investing in crypto. So let's say you invest 500 per month, okay? At the end of the year, that's gonna be $6,000 into crypto, okay? And you never know, maybe a bull run happens in this amount of time, and you basically make 5 times your money. Let's don't say 10x, because 10x might be too big, but of course it's possible. But let's assume you invest into the top 10 cryptocurrencies, and I don't see them make more than a 5x in the near future, like 2022 end or 2023. I don't see Ethereum being 100K by the end of 2022. I don't see that happening. Okay, but I can see Ethereum get at 10K by the end of the year, or maybe in 2023. So imagine you're investing all this money, and then you make 5x on your investment. So you invested 6K. Now you have a 30K balance, a 30K crypto balance that you can choose to withdraw it to your bank and then use this money for other stuff that you want to build. Maybe you want to start a business, or maybe you can just withdraw a part and then leave the other part um, running in crypto and reinvest it. Okay, so this, guys, brings me to another point. A very important point right here is this one. So when you start investing monthly, I'm not telling you to just invest it like you would invest it into S&P 500 and leave it there for 30 years or 20 years, okay? I'm not telling you that. What I'm telling you guys is to invest it, but also you have to keep in mind what's happening with the market, okay? You have to keep in mind what's happening with the market. You have to see, um, is is Bitcoin creating a all-time high? Is let's say XRP creating an all-time high? Do I need to cash out now? We are in the bear market. Should I buy more? Okay, so you still have to kind of watch the market. Okay, you don't want to just blindly invest the money and then leave it there for 30 years. What you want to do is actually follow what Bitcoin does, because currently Bitcoin drags everything around. In time, maybe the Bitcoin dominance will decrease, and the altcoins will be more independent. But for now, Bitcoin drags everything around. When it drops, all the altcoin drop. When it pumps, the altcoin pump as well. Okay, so you want to check from time to time to see, okay, is Bitcoin creating an all-time high? So let's say you invested around here in 27th of May in 2021, when Bitcoin was at 37K, around the price that we are at now. Okay, then you would have invested, and then we would have been in October. 5 months later, you would have invested, let's say, 2.5K. Now your investment would have been around, I don't know, it depends on your on the cryptocurrencies that you bought. Let's say roughly 7K. You would have sit on 7K now profit. Now, what you would have wanted to do is to actually take profits around this area, around the 60K, 62. It doesn't have to be the top. Nobody can guess the top and the bottom. Just remember this. Nobody can do that. Okay, so don't be afraid to slightly miss the top and cash out at 61K when the actual top was at 69. Okay, don't be afraid to do that. Trust me, it's better. So you would have cashed out here, boom, you would have had, let's say, 7K made, okay, in less than half of a year, okay. Then you would have waited, you would have saw that the market starts to crash, and then boom, we are back at 37K, okay. And now you can start reinvesting. But guess what? Applying the strategy that I told you, after you would have sold here, then you would have started the next month to reinvest. You would have reinvested in November, then December, then January, and now we are in January. And guess what? You would have been on a loss now, because if you invested in November, you probably would have invested around the 60K area, then around the 50K, and then around the 40K. And now we are in negative. And guess what? I'm in negative as well. My investment right now in crypto is on the negative side, because as the market dropped, the prices went down, and yeah, my portfolio now sits on the negative side. And to be honest with you, I'm buying more. I'm buying more of these projects that I believe in, and I'm just holding, I'm just holding. But this strategy that I told you guys, it's easy to do for people that don't really have time to spend to watch videos like mine or other influencers, to actually check that, okay, what crypto coins should I buy this month? What crypto coins should I buy next month? Like this, you just establish a certain amount of money that you want to invest month after month. But only thing you need to keep in mind is to watch the price from time to time, okay? Because you don't want to leave the money sitting on Bitcoin your whole life, okay? Because you never know what's gonna happen, okay? The best play, in my opinion, is to cash out when a new all-time high forms, okay? You don't have uh to be correct on the top. No, nobody can be correct. You want to cash out then after that, start reinvesting, okay. Start the same thing over and over again. 500 this month, 500 next month, 500 in March, April, and so on, okay. And trust me, if you do this consistently, month after month, if you would start investing like this, and you would also check the price from time to time to see that if Bitcoin created a all-time high or not, in time you will do profits, okay. And it's simple, it won't take you too much time, okay. As I said, you don't have to check the markets every single day like I do, or like other people do, because I know most of you out there have daily jobs, have a family, and you don't have time for all of this, so this, in my opinion, is the way for you guys to actually start investing into cryptocurrency and actually see some good gains. Because trust me, a 3x or 4x gain in a year, that's no joke, okay. That's very, very good. Imagine investing 10K in a year. By the end of the year, you're up 40K. That's not a bad investment. That's a very good investment. But of course, you got to keep in mind that the market might also crash like now, okay. And through these times, you have two options. A, you stay strong, you hold everything you have, and if you want, you can buy some more, okay? That's my opinion. You can do whatever you want with it. Or if you think that this is not for you, just sell everything and don't come back to the cryptocurrency market anymore, okay? If you're afraid of losing your money. And that brings me to the most important step that I stress about so much is, guys, please do not invest money that you are afraid to lose. I did this mistake plenty of times when I started trading, when I started forex trading, when I started crypto trading. I did it so many times, and trust me, all that money that I invested like that, all money was lost, okay? So please invest what you are comfortable to invest, and do not stress about it, okay? Because think like this. Would I be stressed if I have a X amount of money invested into Bitcoin? If the answer is yes, then you should reduce the amount and invest less. It's very, very simple, okay? So yeah, guys, if you like this video, make sure to drop me a like. Also subscribe, drop me a comment, If you have any video-wise ideas, just drop the comment down below. I will for sure check it out. And yeah, let me know what you think about this strategy. Let me know if you're going to use it. As I said, if you decide to use it, do your own research, okay? This is just my opinion and a tip from me to you guys to start investing into cryptocurrencies in 2022. Because right now, to be honest with you, it's a good time to get into some coins because we have a lot of discounts. Okay, so like you go to the mall and want to buy some clothes, some sneakers, and you have some big discounts. We are in the exact same spot right now with the crypto market. I don't know, it might go even lower than this, but as I said, you cannot um guess the top and the bottom. Okay, that's not possible. So you can scale, okay, you can buy month after month, as I told you guys. So I'm just not gonna brag about it too much. This was the video for today, and yeah guys, I will see you guys in the next one.